Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about just three expressions: possibly, probably, and for sure. Posiblemente, yeah, probablemente, and seguramente. We use these expressions before, at the beginning of the sentences, to add some uncertainty. And as we said before in this chapter, when we use the future simple, which is the yo haré, yo caminaré, tú harás, that one is to forecast the future. And when you forecast the future, there is a some uncertainty. So it's always good to start the sentences with these expressions: posiblemente, probablemente, seguramente. Yeah. Um, Also, when we do speculations, as I mean, speculations are not 100% uh, true, right? It's an speculation. It's something that is you don't really know, like for a fact. So we can also use these expressions when you speculate. So, for example, here, posiblemente tendré inconvenientes. So I'm here like um, kind of speculating the future. I'm saying like probably, like possibly, I will have inconvenience. Yeah. Um, uh, Probablemente verás a tus amigos. Like, yeah, probably you'll see your friends. Like, probably you see your friends like later. You know. So it's like a yeah, like a forecast, as well as this one was a forecast. Um, Seguramente iremos a la casa de tu amigo. Another forecast. Like surely we go to your friend's place. So and also by adding this you're I mean surely or for sure is more probable than possibly or probably, right? So by using this you are kind of like can increase or like you can increase or or decrease the amount of uncertainty, right? Because you say seguramente iremos a la casa de tu amigo is like surely for sure we will go to your friend's place. Still not still not 100% sure, but it's very probable that this happens. But if you say probablemente iremos a la casa de tu amigo, that's like it's not very like probable, like it's not for sure. Maybe, it's kind of a maybe. Yeah, probably. Yeah. So using these terms can add uncertainty, more or less, right? So when you do your forecasts, when you do your speculations, you can also use this at the beginning of the sentences to play with these degrees or of uncertainty. Yeah. That will be it. To practice it, just do the same thing you were doing: speculate, forecast, right? And doing it, but also by using these expressions at the beginning of the sentences. That will be it. Thanks for watching, and yep, see you in the next video. Hasta luego. Bye bye.